Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ActiveCampaign workflows for lead nurturing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure ActiveCampaign workflows for lead nurturing, start by logging into your ActiveCampaign. Navigate to the Automations tab in the main menu. Click on the Create an Automation button to begin a new workflow. Choose a template or select Start from Scratch based on your preference. Name your automation workflow to indicate its purpose, such as Lead Nurturing Campaign. Click Create to open the Automation Builder. Define the trigger conditions based on how you want leads to enter the workflow. Next, click on Add a new action to specify what will happen once the trigger occurs. Select Send an email to deliver a welcome email or informative content to your lead. Customize the email by choosing a pre-built template or creating a new one from scratch. Incorporate dynamic content to personalize the message based on the lead's information. After you've designed your email, click Save. Continue adding actions by clicking on Add a new action again. Consider adding a delay to space out your emails, such as waiting 1 day before sending the next message. You can add another Send an email action to follow up with additional content, tips, or resources. If needed, integrate a conditional split action to segment leads based on their interaction with previous emails. Adjust the workflow path to customize the experience for engaged and disengaged leads. Continue building out the workflow by incorporating additional actions, like notify someone or add tag. Review the overall structure of your automation to ensure a smooth flow. Once complete, click Active to turn on the workflow. Monitor the performance of your automation in the reporting section. Make adjustments to optimize the lead nurturing process as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.